Live from the 24-hour tracking center, this is a winter weather alert.
Well, Bill, Steffen here along with Kyle Underwood. We brushed the snow off him. He's back indoors. And I tell you what, we've had the same forecast out for a while. This major storm that's been tracking across the Pacific Ocean in the northern U.S. right up here into Michigan. Let's take a look, first of all, at the winter storm warning, which continues until 7 a.m. for everybody except Berrien and Cass County. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. As you can see, the precipitation moving west to east. We've got a heavy band of snow that was over us earlier is moving off toward the east here, and that's left us with more blotchy precipitation in here where it's going to kind of start and stop. I want to stop the looping here for just a second and point out a couple of things. First of all, take a look at, we got a thunderstorm in progress here in Berrien County. That's going to move due east. In fact, we'll see if we can put a track on that right now. We run that to 131 here in about 41 minutes or so. And again, you can see a pocket of fairly heavy snow that's occurring right here northeast of Middleville. That will translate into the Lansing area, and we'll put a track on that here in about 52 minutes. Now, I want to show you what's going on the other side of the lake. We not only have lightning and thunder, but we have hail coming out of these storms right in here. That's going to make it across the lake here in a little bit less than 2 hours. Certainly the possibility for lightning, thunder, and possibility for some small hail with that as it comes on through. And you can see the precipitation to the west of us. It's not as steady as it was earlier, but that blotchy kind of pattern is going to continue. If you are north of Grand Rapids, the best bet is that your precipitation will stay as snow up here. In the central area, we're going to get some freezing rain mixed in. Southern area will also see a mix of precipitation here with the predominance of freezing rain. So again, we're forecasting a total of 8 to 12 inches of snow. Grand Rapids area off to the north. Less snow with more freezing rain to the south. And here's the way it looks tonight in Grand Rapids. Our temperature below freezing, so any freezing rain we get here is going to be sticking to the wires and limbs. But snow will continue here and down in Kalamazoo, where it's been a little bit more rain than not. Just had a call from Dr. Bob Ruff at WMU, and he says there is some ice that's accumulating there on some of the wires and the trees. But the main roads have been that have been salted are still moving okay, but certainly beware of icy spots developing there in Kalamazoo. There are definitely icy spots in the Battle Creek area. We've had a mix of snow and a little bit of freezing rain and sleet mixed in as well. So certainly beware of that. Temperatures will probably stay at or below freezing all night in Battle Creek. Snow north, mixed to the south of Grand Rapids. There is a chance of thunder and even some small hail. Icy roads a problem. And also keep well away from any down power lines. It's always a concern we have when we have a situation of freezing rain. Temperatures at or slightly above freezing south of I-94. Off to the north, as you can see, everybody is below freezing right now. Any freezing rain in Grand Rapids, any rain that would fall in Grand Rapids would certainly be freezing on the wires and limbs. Wind's not too much of a problem. We're not getting a lot of blowing snow or even a lot of drifting right now, but these winds should pick up a little bit here overnight tonight. Here's our snow forecast. I think we'll be seeing about 8 to as much as a foot of snow off from Grand Rapids to the north with this system, less as you travel off toward the south. We also have a forecast for ice, and we could see as much as a quarter to a half an inch of ice accumulate. Most of the ice accumulation will be from Kent County off toward the south. And again, beware of the fact that roads could become very icy from just a small amount of freezing rain. So once again, snow accumulations north of Grand Rapids and to the west of Grand Rapids, 8 to 12 inches, a mix of freezing rain and sleet to the south. About 2 to 6 inches there with up to half an inch of ice. Slippery roads right on through the day on Monday when we could see another 1 to 2 inches of snowfall during the day tomorrow. There's a look at your 8-day forecast. Temperatures below freezing all day tomorrow. Will probably be in the mid-20s all day, so not much in the way of melting. It'll be cloudy. It will be snowing lightly during the afternoon, perhaps an inch or two accumulating then. Roads could be slippery throughout the entire day. Tuesday a little better, but cold, 24 degrees. Can't melt a lot of snow with that. I think we'll see another 1 to 2 inches of snow here Wednesday night. A lot of winter weather continuing here. Boy, if I look at the weather maps out through March, we're riding the roller coaster here with the storm track coming right into Michigan. So,
right, and as you said, 40 degrees perhaps by the middle of the week.
It's a possibility.
All right, thanks, Bill.